So we got a cool package here. Let's open up. So it looks like we got some boba balls here. DIY boba kit. 2 straws. A little instruction guide to teach you how to make the boba. We got a little gift right here. So they provided some stickers and some cool accessories here and a little thank you card, which is pretty awesome. Let's take a look and see what's inside here though. So we got 4 different flavors here. We got a Thai tea here. We got a black milk tea. We got a oolong milk tea. And we got a jasmine green milk tea. And as you can see in the bottom, they do provide some ice packets to keep the product cool, which is pretty awesome. Even right now, it's still pretty cold. And these are actually reusable, so you guys can actually use it for next time if you guys have a cooler or whatever. Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So if you guys just saw the video that I just showed you guys as like an intro video or whatever, you guys can see that I did a quick unboxing of these products, and you guys can see that it's from a brand called Shawtea, aka Shawtea. So these are the 4 drinks that they provide you if you guys buy like the sampler pack online, and they ship only in the US right now. So if you guys saw in the video, there's actually more stuff on top of these 4 drinks. Let me show you guys what it was. So they provide you some DIY boba kit that you can use to make at home on yourself, and then you can just basically add it into the drinks itself right here, which is pretty awesome. And they provide you the instruction guide right here, if you can see, to teach you guys how to make the boba if you guys don't know how. You guys can also do like another step if you guys want to. You don't have to do their step, but that's the step that they provide you if you guys want to use their option. They provide me 2 straws to use, and then in the envelope, if you guys remember right here, they provide me some accessories, which is pretty cool and really nice of them. So they provide me their stickers. So that's 1 sticker here. Here's a little coaster that you can use to put your drinks on. Here's another sticker. And here's a little thank you card for purchasing the product, which is pretty cool. And that's basically everything that comes in the package itself. So when you guys buy these drinks, it's not going to be as cool or not as legit by drinking from the bottle itself, even as cool as these bottles are. So why not get a reusable bottle that you can use to drink boba in, water in, or whatever. So that's where this other product come in handy. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here we have a really cool product that just came in. So basically they provide you some metal straws that you can use that's reusable, if you guys can see. That comes with a little cleaner stick that you can use to clean the metal straw itself. And then inside the package you can see that they provide you 2 of these reusable bottles. So let me take out one of them to show you guys what it looks like. So they provide you 2 of the lids. One of them is an airtight lid and the other lid is like this. So for this product, it's actually made out of real glass, if you guys can hear. So you guys are paying for like a really premium quality product right here. And the fact that they give you 2 lids is pretty awesome as well. So one of them could be an airtight lid to seal the product up completely so it doesn't leak. The other one, they have a little slot right here for you guys to put in your boba straw in here to drink your bobas and whatnot. And if you guys look at these little metal straw itself, it's big enough for you guys to actually fit the boba in here, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys are wondering which company is selling these bottles, it's the Reusable BBT cup. So Reusable Bubble Tea Cup. That's the company's name, which I'll put in the description box down below if you guys want to go check them out. But this product is definitely really cool. It is BPA free, food grade safe, dishwasher safe. Really cool product to use overall. So you guys can just buy the boba drinks and put it in here. So if you guys want to buy like multiple of these drinks and just leave it at home to drink it whenever you guys want, they guys definitely can. So this is one of the bottles that they provided. They actually have 2 of them. One of them is just with a white lid and the other one with a black lid. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you guys can see right here, this is the other one that they have. This is the black bottle and this is the white one. So you guys have 2 different options if you guys want to, or you can get both if you guys want. So if you guys want to get one of these bottles, they actually ship worldwide. So basically wherever you guys live, they ship it to you, which is pretty cool. And one thing that I forgot to mention about this company, they actually have like bamboo straws that you can buy as well if you guys want to. So now that I show you guys all the products from the actual Shawtea company where they make the boba tea that ships it to you guys as long as you guys live within the US, and then we showed you guys the bottle that they can ship worldwide. Now let me actually go make the bubble tea itself and then see what it looks like when we use it and pour it into the product itself right here, and show you guys the process of like making it and using the actual product, and then come back and talk about the product after. Alright, so what you guys want to do first is bring a pot of water half full right here, just like how you guys see right here, and let it boil first. So while we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to do the second step right here, which is in a separate bowl, create a mixture of sugar and water 1-to-1 ratio. So basically for 1 serving, they recommend putting 2 tablespoons of each. So 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I recommend putting the sugar in first, so that way after you guys put the water, it doesn't like stick the sugar on after. So in the video, they showed that you guys use like the white sugar, but I'm gonna use these because these are better in a way. Alright, so that's roughly 2 tablespoons. Now we can add the 2 tablespoons of water in. Alright, let's add in 2 tablespoons of water. And these are cold water, not hot water. And then now you guys want to stir it and just make sure it's all dissolved and whatever. Alright, so we have the boba here. Let me smell it and see what it smells like. Definitely smells like fresh boba, which is pretty awesome. But the water is boiling now, so I'm gonna add it in and then constantly stir it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer as well. So let me actually add it in first. Alright, so water's boiling. Alright, so here's the tapioca. Let's add it in. So we want to constantly stir for roughly around like 30 minutes though, and then you guys can see that the color started to change. Even right now when we add on, you guys can see that the color of the actual boba changed, because it was like gray or whatever originally, and now it's like turning a little bit dark. Alright, so we have timer right here for 30 minutes. Start. Alright, so it's been around like 30 minutes. What we're going to do now is strain it onto the strainer. I'm going to use my mini strainer because I don't have a big one with me right now. So let's go do it. Alright, so we're going to strain out the actual bobas that are in here. Perfect. So the mini one actually fits perfectly, if you guys can see. So we're going to rinse it as well. Constantly shake it while you're rinsing it, so that way it doesn't like overflow and whatnot, especially if I'm using like a small one like this. Alright, so we have the boba all strained up. We're gonna add it into our sugar and water mixture right here. So you guys can see the boba right here. We're gonna add it in. So if I use the regular one without like the sugar, like the brown sugar, then you guys probably want to add some honey. But I use the brown sugar, that's why it looks so brown. So I probably most likely don't need to add the honey since they're going to be sweet with the brown sugar that we used. Alright, so we're going to strain out the liquid inside the boba first, and then we're going to add it into this container right here that is by Reusable BBT cup. So let's do that first. Alright, so we strained out the boba. We're going to add it into the container now. Alright, boba's in. So we're going to add in the milk tea now and then see what happens. So one whole bottle can fill up to the maximum of one of these reusable BBT cups, which is pretty awesome. So as you can see, that's what the final product looks like, and it looks really amazing. Alright, so here we have the final product. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. So we want to stir the actual product first. This is actually some really good black milk tea that's by the brand called Shawtea. I'm mostly gonna try the other flavors in the video for like on my Instagram story or something. But stay tuned if you guys want to follow more of my food adventures or like me tasting different foods. Go follow me on my food Instagram, which is in the description box down below if you guys want to follow me on my food adventures. So I'm gonna go finish this up first and then come back and talk more about the product. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see it actually does work, actually works really well. I really love the whole DIY boba kits that a lot of the companies are doing right now. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, the price that you guys are paying for all these products is actually really worth it, especially since these are reusable, so you guys can reuse it every time you guys buy like a new boba drink or whatever. Or if you guys want to, you guys can buy it from your local boba shop and whatnot, and just pour it in here and just keep it preserved or whatever until next time you guys want to drink it. So pretty much long story short, yes, these are worth it if you guys want one or need one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or don't like boba in general, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have